Norton Lindsay is a village in Warwickshire. It's only about 300 or so people live here. We needed to do something about heating and cooling in this pub. As you can see, there aren't many windows that open for the summer and it gets very hot indeed. And conversely, in the winter, it's not a very well insulated building and we need to heat it.
The price of gas has gone up considerably. The steering committee were talking about this and I suggested to them that air conditioning could be a solution to heating the pub and cooling it in the summer. And we've now had it in for about 5 months and the reaction to it's been really good. I mean, it's considerably reduced our gas bills and the running costs of the unit are nowhere near the running costs of having a boiler on all the time.
The Etherea unit installed here at the New Inn actually has the highest energy efficiency rating you can get. It's A+++, therefore making it really good on energy for the building. Additionally, it's R32 refrigerant, which gives it a really low GWP impact, which makes it really environmentally friendly as well, which also helps with the community aspect.
We're finding now it's really cosy in the pub. Before it could get rather cold at times in the winter. And we have a lot of people who are saying, I'm going to come back to the pub now, because I was quite reticent about coming into the pub without some sort of system to remove viruses and other contaminants.
Panasonic has been developing nanotechnology for a lot longer than people think. They think it's kind of a new technology, but the first device was actually manufactured in 2003. Since then, there have been 2 variations of it. We had nanoe Mark I in 2016, which produced 10 times the amount of hydroxyl radicals as the previous version. And in 2019, we developed nanoe X Mark II, which now produces 20 times the hydroxyl radicals of the previous version, which means now we can fill space much more quickly with those hydroxyl radicals that then produce all the benefits of removing bacteria, odours and other particles in the air.
They want to encourage people back into the pub. If they can actually have the confidence that they are going to come into a clean pub which is going to be taking out the bacteria, taking out the viruses side of things, which nanoe X does do, it gives the people confidence.
nanoe X was the clinching factor that made us decide on the Panasonic unit.
Panasonic has done a number of independent research on nanoe X and its effect on bacteria, viruses, odours. All of these results can be seen on our website. Recently we've had independent testing in France by the Texel, which has proved that it can inhibit the COVID-19 virus.
Showing the customer the tests that are there. You can read, anyone can put anything on a piece of paper, but obviously then when you actually then see the test and see the type of things that have been carried out in the factories before it's been launched, obviously then just gives people peace of mind.